Okay, good evening and, well, good morning. It's 10 past midnight and no, I haven't bothered to get dressed. Not today, and I don't know how long I'm going to be able to hold this phone because for the last couple of days I've had some fairly major neck and shoulder pain. Never mind. Just wanted to make this quick one to give Doug Mosslack a quick view of my version of the Star Trek Beam Me In, and just to show what I've managed to do. If I turn the camera around slightly, you can see where I've had Premiere open just to do the edits, and yeah, it's looking reasonably nice, and it's only a 6-second clip, so rather than just put that up on its own, I thought I'd go with it. By the way, Doug, like the haircut in the last video, there's haircutting and then there's going a bit extreme, but yeah, all well and good. See you all soon, guys. Bye for now.